The galleon Andalusia is a replica of a 16th to 17th century galleon, the only one in the world that still sails. These ships were used by the Spanish crown for maritime expeditions.
Was inclined for rest, but still there was no rest for me. Farewell to Nova Scotia, you sea-bound coast, let your mountains dark and dreary be. For when I am far away on your briny ocean toss, will you ever heave a sigh or a wish for me?
The Eagle was one of the 5 ships built for sail training in the 1930s in Germany. Eagle was included in reparations paid to the United States after World War II, and the Coast Guard took her over as a training ship. Cadets practiced navigation, engineering, and other skills aboard the Eagle. For many, the tour of duty aboard the Eagle is their first experience of life at sea.
For when I am far away on your briny ocean tossed, you ever heave a sigh or a wish for me? The drums do beat and the wars do alarm. The captain's call I must obey. Farewell, farewell.
The Lynx, a square topsail schooner, was designed and built to interpret the general configuration and operation of a privateer schooner or naval schooner from the War of 1812. The Lynx was one of the first ships to defend American freedom. The Lynx crew members wear period uniforms and operate the ship in keeping with the maritime traditions of early 19th century America to complement the ship's historic character.
Their arms are folded on their breast. What a blue simple sailor just like me must be tossed and driven on the dark blue sea. Farewell to Nova Scotia, you sea-bound coast, let your mountains dark and dreary be. For when I am far away on your briny ocean tossed, will you ever heave a sigh or a wish for me?
The Picton Castle is based in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, and is known for her voyages around the world. In the past decade, the Picton Castle has made 6 complete circumnavigations. Throughout her voyages, she has educated and introduced more than 1,000 people to the unique challenges and rewards of square-rigged sailing.
For when I am far away on your briny ocean tossed, will you ever heave a sigh or a wish for me? Will you ever heave a sigh or a sigh or a wish for me? Will you ever heave a sigh or a sigh or a wish for me? Will you ever heave a sigh or a wish for me?
Oliver Hazard Perry is the first ocean-going, full-rigged ship to be built in the U.S. in 110 years, and is named for the young Rhode Island hero of the Battle of Lake Erie. Sail training participants work as integral members of the ship's company.
Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. When the wind won't blow and the ship won't go, and it's time for us to leave her. You can make her fast and pack your gear. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. You can leave her moored to the West Street Pier at this time.
The Tree of Life, launched in 1991, was built in Nova Scotia. She sailed out of Newport in October 2002 on a 3-year circumnavigation voyage. In 2003, Tree of Life spent 5 months in Auckland, New Zealand, via Bora Bora, the Southern Cooks, and Fiji for the America's Cup. Tree of Life, based in Newport Harbor, now sails throughout New England waters.
Docks to the Brooklyn Yard, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. When the wind won't blow, the ship won't go, and it's time for us to leave her. She would neither steer nor wear nor stay. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. She shipped it clean both night and day, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. When the wind won't blow, the ship won't go, and it's time for us